Alright guys, in today's video of FlexiSTARTER, we're going to be looking at how to invert selections. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos and we have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back in the program here. Now, just a reminder, this is a mini series on the selecting objects. I will leave relevant links in the description so you guys can actually follow along. Now, today's video should also be a nice little short one. We're just going to be looking at inverting a selection. And this can be nice if you're working on a design that's sometimes symmetrical, or yeah, you could also be working on one element of the design at a time and then you invert your selection to have everything else selected. There's a few other what can I say, uses for it as well. It is quite a broad spectrum type feature of a tool that you can use. Once again, also it is universal in most programs, so most of them have the inverter selection. You can even have it in some text editing and so forth programs. It's quite a common tool. So now, in order to do this, let's say we've selected this top graphics. We'll just be ignoring these selections, and then let's say we've worked on this, we've maybe changed the color or something, and now you want to invert it and work on these selections. So like I said, it could be dependent on your design as well. Sometimes you'll be working on the inside things and the outside and so forth. So now instead of having to select all of them, because I mean obviously I can just drag a box, which is easy, but if these elements were, let's say like this, between each other, then I have to manually go select all the rest, which makes it a bit of a slip. So then what we can do is we go to our main menu on top, like we do with most selection tools, navigate down to where we find select, and then we go to invert selection. As we can see, the shortcut for that is Control-Shift-I. So now if we press that, we can see it has just inverted our selection here. Now we've got the yellow ones, but like I said, if we had to ignore these ones for now. So then that is pretty much the invert selection. It's a very handy tool, but also keep in mind you can just go, if you have things selected with your selection tool activated, you can go right click and then we navigate to select, and then likewise we go to invert selection. We'll do the same thing. So once again, if we press Control-Shift-I, it will also invert your selection again. So that's a nice little feature, and I think that just about wraps up our little mini series on selecting objects. If there's any features I've missed, I will try and make extra content. And then otherwise, yeah, that is it. Thanks guys for joining me on this little series. Otherwise, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, we have a variety of different softwares we do cover, and also you can isolate your search by the search bar if you're looking for anything specific. If we have not covered the video yet, or you don't find it in the search result, you can always go here, request a training video, and then we will make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.